Hey there. So now you're wondering how to shop the back office. It's pretty plain and simple, and I'll be doing a bunch of different videos to show you the back office. But basically, what you want to do is make sure that you're logged in. Otherwise, it'll say log in or it'll tell you you're logged in here. And then you're just going to click this shop button, and this is from your computer. It's the same thing whether you're on your phone, going to the website, or if you're in the app, the Paparazzi app, just click on in the little menu that comes up on the app, just click on shop. You're going to get the same selections. You get all of these different categories, necklaces, bracelets, earrings, rings. Your Paparazzi boutique is actually your business supplies, so you don't get any personal volume or PV for that, but all your business supplies you can get in there. Your Starlit Shimmer category is where you're going to find the $1 items for the kids, and trust you me, us adults wear the earrings, but they have the rings, the bracelets, and the earrings. Keep in mind you get no PV, so if you're working on a goal for top and PV or LOP or promoting in ranks and things like that, PV is what counts in that. So when you order these, you do not get PV. However, you sell these items for $1 each. You pay $5 for a pack of 10. So when you sell them for $1 each, you're making $5 off of a pack of 10. And that is actually a 50% earnings. The other category in here is the Z pieces. These are our our current year's. Sometimes you have to refresh the screen. But these are our $25. Our $25 sets or necklaces and earrings. You'll see some that have a name of a person on there. These people actually earned the opportunity to have a piece named after them in the Rock the Runway contest, which runs monthly from February to May each year. So new releases come out every Monday through Friday at 3 o'clock p.m. Eastern time, noon Pacific. I guess it would be 1 o'clock Mountain time and 2 o'clock Central time, depending on where you're at. You'll see these when they come out. If you're on the screen, you'll start seeing the pieces pop all over the screen, and that means they're popping in. They're bringing new pieces. But you can go through all of your new releases. You can also, if you don't want to mess with the new releases, because things will come out of your cart, trust you me. If you just are looking for necklaces, you can go into necklaces. You can also shop by every color in the rainbow and every color that Paparazzi has. Anytime you see leather or urban, that is going to be your men's line and your urban unisex line, where these items will work well with women and men. Keep in mind your clasp bracelets that are on chains. Those are going to be quite a bit bigger for us girls because they're made to fit a man's hand, okay? So these are all of your categories. You simply figure out what you want. So if, let's say it's around 3 o'clock and you're going to shop what's new, what's the newest thing, and keep in mind things stay in your new releases for about 10 days. So just because this is here today doesn't mean it was necessarily released today, but the chances are it was released within the last 10 days, hasn't sold out yet. Once it sells out, it'll go into its respective categories, okay? So let's say you're going through and you're like, ooh, let me look. You can click the picture and then you can click that little arrow and it'll show you the earrings, the necklace on a person, and then the necklace, normally necklace with the earrings, but this one doesn't show the earrings. Let me show you a regular necklace. See how it shows the earrings here and the necklace, and then you see it on the person, and then you see it on the earrings, the actual earrings in their ears. So let's say you want one of those, and you would just click add, and if you wanted more than one, you could click add, add, add. Let's say you wanted 3 of those, and then this one, let's say you go into this one, you're like, ooh, that's really pretty. The other way you can do it is if you click the name, you'll get the description. So if you're like, what is that? You can do this description and find out that those are rhinestones, yada, yada, yada. And then you can also just under the quantity, click 5 and click add, and that'll add that up here into your bag. The other thing that you can do, this will take a little bit longer time, or it can, and it can also be very quickly. These little hearts, if you click, say, this one, and this one, and let's say that one. You'll notice that, watch this, I'll click another one, but here's your 3, watch that. When I click this one, now it changes to 4. That is your wish list. You can go through, see everything you like, put a heart on it. Then you can come into your wish list, and let's say you just want 1 of each. Or maybe you want 2 of each. Now, if you want 1 of this, 3 of this, 2 of this, 5 of this what I'm going to show you isn't going to work. You need to put the actual numbers in down here and hit add quantity, add quantity, add. But let's say you normally get 2 of everything, so you're going to click 2. You click 2 up here, and everything in your wish list you can add to the cart, and boom, your wish list is now empty. All of your items are right here in your cart. So to check out, now that you've got your order ready, you're going to simply, if say you're here, you can either find here, but if you are scrolling way down here, as you see that's gone, the quickest way to check out is to click your bag right up here, okay? Then you can scroll up, you can change your quantities. Let's say, oh no, I only want 2 of these, okay? And maybe I'll take 1 of these. And you know what? I changed my total mind. I don't want this because this is a lanyard, so I just really don't want that. And I just want to delete this. So you can delete that. It will automatically adjust your totals. You'll see this during new release time. You will see that updating totals, and sometimes it's forever. So again, caution when you're shopping at 3 o'clock, but it is fun, and it's fun to see what you actually can get before it runs out of your cart. So then you would check out. You click on the checkout. It's going to ask you for your shipping address, which you should have already put in. Make sure you set it as default, and then you don't have to keep typing it in because, again, you want to make it quicker. You'll choose your shipping method. Keep in mind, if you order 37 of our $5 pieces at the $2.75 rate, you will receive, this will say free shipping, okay? If you, for every 10 pieces you order, you get 1 free piece. So what I always do is, because I don't always do it, so if you're trying to save on shipping and you want to get the most bang for your buck, in my opinion, you would want to order 40 pieces, because at 37 you get the free shipping, but if you ordered 3 more, you'd get an extra piece free. So again, you do the math. However, if you are low on funds, I am not telling you that you have to wait until you can come up with 40 piece total, okay? I've ordered many times less than 20, because sometimes there's just things that I just don't want, or I've already got them, again, those new releases stay in there for 10 days, so I may have already got everything, all right? So anyways, I will be willing to pay the $5.95 to ship it. Just remember that gets counted in your total cost of your piece. So whatever, you can also pay, have 2-day delivery and pay $75, $79. You can do any of this where if you live in an area where you'd rather sign your packages, you might want to pay a little bit extra. Keep in mind, this will go down. If it's free shipping, this goes down by the $5.95. So FedEx signature required goes to $4 if you get free shipping, okay? This $5.95 is included in there. So then when you're done, you click continue. It's going to have you're going to enter your credit card. Now I choose to save the credit cards that I use most often. That way, again, I can click out quicker. Over here, you see I got 2, 7, there's 10, 12 pieces. So I'm a gold LOP. So I get double hostess rewards, but because I got 12, so I got over 10, I get 1 free. Yours show that you got host reward time, 1 of them times 1. Okay, if it's double hostess rewards, it might say host reward 01 times 2. Okay, so, or it might, if you got 40 pieces, it'll say 01 times 4 or 04 times 1. Okay, just so you know. All right, then you come down here, so you get your credit card in, you got to put your your little number in the bottom. This could update again. It could say updating, updating, update. You need to wait until you see what you see here, where you see all of these lines. There's nothing up here saying updating. And then your last thing is to submit this order. A little pop-up box is going to come up, and it's telling you all the different steps it's taking. When it's completed, like capturing your card and finding items and all that stuff. When it's completing, your page will turn to this, and then this will show your latest order. All right, we're going to do more trainings on what to do with this, But you can have, you always, if you've ordered it, you always have access to the pictures, because if you click view all and scroll down, you can zip the image, and that would download them. Then you click on this download images, and you're going to see a little download. And again, this is on my computer, but on your phone it'd be a little bit different. You can open that up, and you can then pull any piece up you want and see the actual picture. Hopefully it'll do it quickly. There. So now I can see those pictures, and I could save those and post them to my VIP group, my business page, send them to a friend through Messenger or text message or whatever you want to do. All right. So you have access to pictures of every piece that you ordered. Okay. All right. So that is a quick tutorial on how you place your orders. See you next time.